Not to get ran by this goat. Okay. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. He's normal. Alright. Let's wait for here.
Want me to hold it?
Yeah, here, hold it. And do not press anything. Hold it. Not that way. This way. Here he goes. It's not doing anything. What's wrong with you, goat?
Oh!
Okay. Oh, okay, it's putting on pressure. Okay, let go. Ah! Okay, oh, that hurts. Okay, hold me.
Get him out.
Okay, oh!
Run! She's mad.
Move! No. She's a sweet goat. I mean, like from time to time. I mean, look, see, she's nice, but she's pregnant right now. That's why she's so. That's here. Hold it.
She's on her period.
Having fun.
She's on a good period.
Come on, aren't you gonna ram me? All right. She's getting ready. All right, so I'm out on the farm. Let's go. Okay.
You're a counselor and you're doing this.
Yep.
Junior counselor, technically.
She's not doing much.
Oh.
She goes to Guinness World Records.
Yeah. Hey! Look at that goat. What you doing, girl? She wants to feed. All right. Hey, get over here. You're the only one who can save me from this. All right, ready?
Get him.
Get ready. Right here.
Get him. Get him. Come on, ram into him.
Not this.
Come on.
Ah! Okay. Hey. All right.
What are you guys just trying to do?
We're gonna pause. All right, we're gonna unpause now. All right. Here, hold on. Hey, are you leaving? All right. This is my last one. Here. Aren't you gonna ram me?
Kind of do this, kind of like that. She knows that. Shake it.
Right here. Come on.
What? These goats are trying to break down the door.
Yeah, because they smell that feed. Uh-oh. All right, so we have a little goat situation going on here. I'm trying to break through.
Really trying.
It's gonna get through. Oh my God!